This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Microsoft Word. So I'm right here on the Microsoft 365 main downloads page. You can find it at this URL, which is on the screen I'm highlighting right here. Now, I will of course put that URL as a link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click that link and wind up here. Now, formerly Office 365, Microsoft 365, what you get in this package, you get Word, which is what this video is about, but you also get Excel and PowerPoint. So kind of the holy trinity of Microsoft products, or at least early Microsoft products. What you do, you come to this link, and then we have the Windows version. So if you're with Windows, you will click right here. If you have a Mac like I do, you will click on the Mac OS version. So you can click literally here. That will redirect and download the Windows version, or for me, I will click here for the Mac OS version. You see up here in the top right corner, the icon went flying up, which is a universal symbol on a Mac that something has been downloaded. Now, you will find the installer in your downloads location. Your downloads location might be different to mine, but I have Google Chrome here on this Mac, and the downloaded files and folders go to the main downloads location. Now, your downloads location might be different, but the easy, straightforward bit is just to open up that installer and follow the instructions. From there, hopefully you have found this video on how to find and download Microsoft Word useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.